Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, my name is Atta and today's topic is about pie charts. Pie charts display data in the circular graph divided into slices where each slice represents a portion of a whole. The size of each slice corresponds to its percentage or proportion, making it easy to see how different parts relate to the total. Here's an example. A company such as use might use a pie chart to understand the distribution of its budget, with each slice representing the percentage allocated to areas like salaries, marketing, expenses, purchasing, and operations, and so on. These are the plots that display data as a collection of points on a graph. Show the relationship between two variables with one variable determining the portion and position on the horizontal axis and the other on the vertical axis. Additional variables can be represented by adjusting the color, shape or the size of the each point. Scatter plots help identify trends or clusters within data set, making it easier to spot. Now we are going to discuss the types of data visualization. Different data visualization techniques serve diverse analytical and operational needs. Charts and graphs. Charts and graphs are typically used to categorize information to identify trends, draw comparisons. Bar charts. Bar chart display categorical data in the form of rectangular bars with the length and height of each bar corresponding its value across different categories, making it easy to spot differences in size or frequency. For example, a bar chart might be used to compare bug distribution across different software models, with the length of each bar represent the amount of bugs found in each specific model. Line graphics display data using points connected by straight lines. They are often used to show changes or patterns over time, such as increases, decreases, fluctuation in the value. For example, a line graph might be used to track website traffic over the course of a year, with each point representing the number of visitors and the site in specific month, lines connecting them to illustrate the trend. Pie charts display data in circular graph divided into slices where each slice represents a portion of a whole. The size of each slice corresponds to the percentage or proportion, making it easy to see how different parts relate to the total. For example, a company might use a pie chart to understand the distribution of its budget, with each dice slice presenting percentage allocated to areas like salaries, marketing operation and so on. Scatter plots. Scatter plot display data as a collection of point on a graph to show the relationship between two variables, with one variable determining the point position on the horizontal axis and the other on the vertical. Additional variables can be represented by adjusting the color, shape and size of each point. Scatter plots help identify trends or clusters within a dataset, making it easier to spot correlations or outliers. For, for example, a business might use a scatter plot to analyze the relationship between advertisement spend and sale revenue, with each point plotted based on the amount of money spent on an ad campaign and the amount of money earned. Map and geospatial visualization. Maps and geospatial visualization display in geospatial context, making it easier to analyze spatial patterns and relationship based on location, whether be on Earth within digital environment like websites. Heat maps. Heat maps display data on grid using variation in color, hue, vibrancy, and represent the magnitude of individuals' values within the dataset. For example, a heat map can be used to visualize website traffic, with color intensity vary based on number of visitors